This is Josh Klinghoffer. I think this is a Fender takeover. I was going to talk about some of my current favorite Fenders. This is a 59 Strat, which I got in Chicago. So it's called Chick. It has a Band-Aid on it. I think this is probably my favorite guitar. I'll show you what Chick sounds like. Also through this Fender Deluxe, which is another sort of thing that I got years ago. Apparently it was coveted by many people, and the fellow I got it from decided that the day I walked in was the day he was okay to let it go. And is that the 62 Jaguar? Yes, it is. It's the first thing I ever bought on eBay. I was kind of having a hard time thinking of what to do for this because I didn't want to show off and brag about some of these amazing Fenders I have, but this was sitting right there, so I thought I'd show off this incredible 61 Bass 6. There's really nothing more to say. Okay, I have to show off one more. Look at this. This Coronado Bass 2. I don't even know what year this is from. 60s, 70s. Thanks for watching this Fender takeover. I don't think you can actually take over Fender. They're doing a good job managing their own affairs. But I thank them for having me here today, or actually this today has been kind of like an 8-month thing. So thank you, Fender, and thank you for watching.